Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can delete your website from the Hostinger if you have already set the website configured on your using your Hostinger web hosting. In this video I'll be showing you how you can remove it, and without wasting further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I've logged into my Hostinger hPanel. So hPanel is nothing but just a cPanel for Hostinger, which is customized. So just go to the home page, and from the home page here you can see all these new offers that they're running from Black Friday. Navigate to websites, click on it and select websites list, and this is where you can see the hosting, which is premium, the hosting plan that you're using, and then you'll have all the list of websites that you own or you connected to this hosting plan. So you can see How to Prefix was the name of our channel previously, so we don't need this, scrap this website. So without making any changes, you can just click on this three dots and go ahead and click on delete. And here you need to check saying that you understand that all the data will be wiped out. That's fine for me, so go ahead and click on delete again, and you can see it can take up to 10 minutes to delete the site. So once it's done, it will be removed. Here you can see it's gone from the list of websites. So that's how easy it is. For more such videos, don't forget to explore my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.